Today's defense news, the highlights. Skyroot Aerospace's innovative vacuum nozzle testing, overcoming flow separation through water injection. Private participation in space sector, ISRO transfers its satellite bus technology to two Indian private players. BrahMos missile production set to begin in Lucknow on 11th of May. JSR Dynamics unveils 297-kilometer range MGLD-W ground-launched missile drone capable of 0.85 Mach speed for rapid precision strike. BEML to develop Armoured Vehicle ATGM with DRDO under the Buy Indian IDDM category. REFIT completion of MNDF HURAVEE strengthens India-Maldives defense cooperation. In the global highlights, UAE to become regional hub for US counter-drone technology with Raytheon's Coyote production launch, and US Air Force scouts three states as potential sites for new homeland defense radar. Let's have a look at the news in detail. Skyroot Aerospace has successfully tested its 3D printed Raman 2 engine equipped with a vacuum nozzle, marking the final flight qualified iteration of the engine. The test lasted an impressive 200 seconds, showcasing the engine's robust performance and the power of rapid additive manufacturing in space propulsion development. Vacuum nozzles are optimized for space environments, but during terrestrial testing, they face performance challenges due to atmospheric pressure. Flow separation occurs when exhaust gases detach from the nozzle walls, reducing efficiency. Skyroot engineers tackled this issue by strategically injecting water into separation zones, simulating vacuum conditions on Earth and enabling full area ratio testing. From reducing part count and weight to enabling rapid prototyping, the company has embraced additive manufacturing to shorten development cycles dramatically. The Raman engine series, including the latest Raman 2, is a direct result of this mindset, combining high performance materials with advanced design geometries made possible only through 3D printing. As yet another step in enhancing the private industry participation in the Indian space sector, ISRO transferred the IMS-1 satellite bus technology to Alpha Design Technologies and Dhruva Space. New Space India Limited, the commercial arm of ISRO, facilitated the technology transfer. The technology transfer documents were formally handed over by Mr. D. Radhakrishnan, the CMD of NSIL, to Colonel H.S. Shankar, the CMD of ADTL. ADTL is one of the two private players identified to receive the transfer of this technology. Dhruva Space, headquartered in Hyderabad, is a pioneering Indian space technology company established in 2012 by Sanjay Nekanti. The company specializes in providing full-stack space engineering solutions covering the entire spectrum of satellite platforms and subsystems, launch services, including satellite deployers and ground segment solutions such as Earth stations. This collaborative approach is poised to enhance capacity, drive economic growth, and reinforce India's position as a global space power. The Defence Minister has announced that BrahMos missile production in Lucknow will officially commence with the inauguration of the new manufacturing complex on 11th of May. Initially, the facility will manufacture 100 missiles with plans to ramp up production to missiles worth 900 crore rupees over the next 5 to 7 years. The project is expected to play a crucial role in boosting India's defense exports, which have already reached 24,000 crore rupees, with ambitions to double this figure by 2029. The BrahMos manufacturing complex is a flagship project within the Uttar Pradesh Defence Industrial Corridor, aiming to transform Lucknow into a global investment hub with world-class infrastructure. The facility will not only serve India's defense needs but will also cater to export demands with countries like Vietnam, UAE, and Indonesia among potential buyers. The Russian scientists will collaborate with Indian teams at the site, and a dedicated railway track is planned for efficient transportation of missiles to and from the facility. JSR Dynamics has introduced the miniature ground-launched drone weaponized a cutting-edge missile drone designed for rapid precision strikes. The MGLD-W has a range of 297 kilometers and can reach speeds of Mach 0.85, that is approximately 1050 kilometers per hour at sea level. It is powered by a 150 kilogram turbojet engine. It utilizes multi-constellation satellite navigation, including GPS, GLONASS, and India's NAVIC, ensuring accuracy even in contested environments. The drone carries an Mk-81 warhead, a 250-pound general-purpose bomb which can be configured for fragmentation or penetration strikes. Its advanced seekers, likely imaging infrared or radar based, enable pinpoint accuracy against moving or fortified targets. Unlike air-launched systems, the MGLD-W can be deployed from mobile launchers, making it highly flexible for frontline operations. Bharat Earth Movers Limited (BEML) is collaborating with DRDO to develop a wheeled armored fighting vehicle and an anti-tank guided missile under the Buy Indian IDDM category. The vehicle is envisioned as a highly mobile 8x8 platform capable of operating across diverse terrains, including deserts and high altitude regions. It will be equipped with an advanced fire and forget ATGM system, enhancing its ability to counter armored threats and fortified positions. BEML has invited domestic and foreign technology partners to co-develop these systems, leveraging global expertise while maintaining compliance with IDDM requirements. A short brief about the expression of interest. BEML invites expression of interest from the prospective collaborators through a License and Technology Collaboration Agreement (TCA) for joint development of wheeled armored fighting vehicle and anti-tank guided missile for Indian Army to enable BEML to design, engineer, manufacture, assemble, test, supply, field, install, commission, repair, service and retrofit. The Ministry of Defence intends to procure wheeled armoured fighting vehicle and anti-tank guided missile under the Buy Indian IDDM category. Indian Navy has successfully completed a major refit of the Maldivian Coast Guard ship MNDF HURAVEE at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai, reinforcing India-Maldives defence cooperation. This effort aligns with India's Mahasagar vision, that is mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth for all in the region and its neighbourhood. Over the past 4 months, extensive maintenance was carried out on machinery, weapons, and sensors, along with a habitability upgrade. The ship underwent rigorous harbour and sea trials, safety audits, and operational sea training before setting sail for the Maldives on 21st of April 25. Now, some global news. Raytheon announced the signing of a significant term sheet with the United Arab Emirates Tawazun Council to establish local production of the Coyote counter-unmanned aircraft system interceptor in the UAE. The combat-proven Coyote effector is a rail-launched, low-cost missile variant equipped with a boost rocket motor and a turbine engine, providing exceptional speed and agility for counter-UAS and launched effects missions. Designed to be small and expendable, the Coyote exists in both kinetic and non-kinetic configurations, capable of neutralizing drones ranging from small quadcopters to large unmanned systems at extended ranges and higher altitudes than similar class effectors. Its advanced capabilities allow for rapid engagements and the ability to counter multiple targets, including drone swarms, with minimized reaction times. When paired with Raytheon's Q-band radio frequency sensors, the Coyote becomes part of a powerful detect and defeat solution that forms a critical element of the US Army's deployed low, slow, small unmanned aircraft integrated defense system. This integration ensures comprehensive coverage against emerging aerial threats, supporting layered defense strategies in both US and allied operations. US Air Force is actively scouting locations for new homeland defense radars to enhance early detection of airborne threats. The plan involves acquiring land for over-the-horizon radar OTHR systems, which can detect low-flying cruise missiles and other potential threats. The Air Force has identified sites in Oregon for its first two radars, with transmitters planned for Christmas Valley and receivers for White Horse Ranch. The environmental review process is expected to last 2 years, with construction slated to begin in 2028 if approved. Additionally, the Air Force has issued a notice of intent to prepare an environmental impact statement for radar sites in the northwest region of the U.S., with public meetings scheduled in Idaho, Nevada, and Oregon. So let's have a look at what are the over-the-horizon radar systems and what are their defense applications. Over-the-horizon radar systems can detect targets beyond the radar's horizon, which is typically limited by the curvature of the Earth. Unlike conventional radars that rely on line-of-sight detection, OTHR systems use skywave propagation, bouncing radio waves off the ionosphere to reach distinct targets. There are two main types of OTHR. The first one is the skywave OTHR, which uses high-frequency radio waves that reflect off the ionosphere, allowing detection of objects hundreds to thousands of kilometers away. The second one is the surface wave OTHR, which uses low-frequency waves that follow the Earth's curvature, making them useful for maritime surveillance. These radars are particularly valuable for early warning systems, maritime reconnaissance, and tracking low-flying threats like cruise missiles. The critical applications in defense. OTHR can detect incoming threats like stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, and cruise missiles from thousands of kilometers away, giving defense forces more time to respond. These radars help monitor vast oceanic regions, tracking ships, submarines, and aircraft carriers to prevent unauthorized incursions. Electronic warfare support. These radars assist in signal intelligence, SIGINT, and electronic warfare, helping forces detect and counter enemy communications and radar systems. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.